Allergic rhinitis. It is an IgE-mediated immunological response of the nasal mucosa due to airborne allergens, which means swelling and irritation of the nose due to many particles such as dust, pollen grains, pet hair, and food allergens. It can be of two types, perennial and seasonal. Perennial means which occurs throughout the year, and seasonal which occurs only in a particular season.